Welcome back to Zeno Vibes, where we dive into the world of self-improvement and personal growth. Today, we're talking about something super important, something that will change your life if you let it. Valuing yourself. You see, when you value yourself, you become the favorite of the people who truly matter, and you don't let anyone else replace you in your own life. So, let's dive into this story and see how it all goes down. Meet Alex, a guy who's been struggling with low self-worth for years. He's always felt like he's not good enough, like he's just going through the motions of life without any real purpose. He's a people pleaser, always trying to make others happy, even if it means sacrificing his own needs and desires. He's like a chameleon, changing his colors to fit in with whoever he's around. But here's the thing. When you value yourself, you don't have to be like that. Imagine walking into a room full of people, and you feel like you're invisible. That's what it's like to have low self-worth. You feel like you're not seen, not heard, and not valued. It's like you're just a ghost floating through life trying to find your place in the world. And let me tell you, it's a real emotional pain. It's like carrying a heavy weight on your shoulders, one that you can't shake off no matter how hard you try. But Alex, our friend here, is about to hit rock bottom. He's just been disrespected by someone he thought was a close friend, and it's like the final straw. He can't take it anymore, so he takes some time to reflect on his life. He starts to think about all the times he's been disrespected, all the times he's been taken advantage of, and all the times he's let others walk all over him. And you know what? It's a real wake-up call. For the first time in his life, Alex realizes that he's been playing small. He's been letting others define his worth, and it's time to take back control. He starts to see that he's been living someone else's dream, not his own. And that's when the magic happens. He starts to set boundaries, to say no to people who don't have his best interests at heart. He starts to value himself, to see his worth, and it's like a weight has been lifted off his shoulders. Now, I know what you're thinking. Setting boundaries is hard. It's scary. It's uncomfortable. But trust me, it's worth it. When you value yourself, you start to respect yourself. You start to see that you're worthy of love, care, and respect. Not just from others, but from yourself too. And that's when the confidence starts to grow. You see, confidence is not something you either have or you don't. It's something you can develop over time, with practice and patience. And it starts with valuing yourself. When you value yourself, you start to see your strengths, your talents, and your abilities. You start to believe in yourself, and that's when the magic happens. So, here's the thing. Valuing yourself is not just about you, it's about the people who matter in your life too. When you value yourself, you become the best version of yourself, and that's when you attract people who truly care about you. You attract people who respect you, who value you, and who love you for who you are. And that's when you become the favorite of the people who truly matter. So, what can you do today to start valuing yourself? Here are a few tips to get you started. First, take some time to reflect on your life. Think about all the times you've been disrespected, all the times you've been taken advantage of, and all the times you've let others walk all over you. And then take a stand. Set boundaries, say no to people who don't have your best interests at heart, and start to value yourself. Second, practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Do things that make you happy, that make you feel good about yourself. Whether it's exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones, make sure you're taking care of yourself. Third, focus on your strengths, your talents, and your abilities. Don't compare yourself to others because you're unique, and that's what makes you special. Celebrate your wins no matter how small they may seem, and use them as a stepping stone to greater things. And finally, be kind to yourself. Remember that you're human, and it's okay to make mistakes. Don't beat yourself up over things that didn't go as planned, because that's not going to help you grow. Instead, learn from your mistakes and use them as an opportunity to grow and learn. So, there you have it, guys. Valuing yourself is not just about you, it's about the people who matter in your life too. When you value yourself, you become the best version of yourself, and that's when you attract people who truly care about you. Remember, you are worthy of love, care, and respect, not just from others, but from yourself too. So, go out there and value yourself, because you deserve it. If you like this video, give me a like and give a feedback to improve my videos. See you in the next video. Take care.